say, new media and the avant-garde of like the 1960s, where it coming into play was like photography, was performance, was installations and conceptual art. The sort of underlying philosophies of these movements was political, and it was revolutionary, and it was said to subvert the economic establishment of the time, to sort of subvert the catalog of private property that had been built up by the elites that were collecting paintings and sculpture. This is what the avant-garde of that time said, the 60s and 70s and 80s. And then as it sort of went on into the 80s, and a huge amount of investment from new money, capitalism came into the art market, the avant-garde and the kitsch became one and the same, in that they went back to sort of being economic objects of commercial value again. You had Jeff Koons sort of rising up with his avant-garde sculptural works, and you had these installations that were establishing themselves into museums. And you had an institutional avant-garde, which sort of proliferated universities and museums to the point where it became the new establishment. And yet it wasn't a free market either for media. It was very difficult to make into an asset. And also beauty in that sense was being sort of pushed to the edges. What gained so much traction seemed to be installations of media and avant-garde work. And beauty was sort of in the corner. And for me, I think NFTs now enable an area that has been sort of untapped, where technology and beauty can come together and form, a piece that is assetized and can participate in the free market once again. And beauty, therefore, I think, like a flower amongst the rubble, finds its way to succeed again.